Did you know that Draupadi was not the only woman mentioned in the Mahabharata who was staked by her husband in the game of dice? There are multiple such stories in Mahabharata that often go unnoticed, but it's a complete tragic to miss these esteemed stories. Therefore, join me in this series, The Hidden Mysteries of Mahabharata, where I can enlighten you with each stories of this legendary epic in under 5 minutes. Welcome to episode 6, Nil and Damayanti. Yudhishthir was not the only husband who staked his wife in the game of dice. There was another king who had staked his wife in the game of dice, and his story was told to Yudhishthir during their exile of 13 years, by a sage. Although the story of this couple had no connection with the Kauravas and Pandavas, yet it holds great importance in Mahabharata. The woman who was also staked by her own husband was considered to be the most beautiful woman, but her husband was tricked into the game of dice just like Yudhishthir. This story is about Nil and Damayanti. Long ago, the kingdom of Nishad was ruled by a dashing young king by the name of Nil. He was a very capable king but was also very fond of playing dice, but not adept at it. However, despite being one of the most handsome men of his time, he was still unmarried. One day a Brahman came to his court. On learning of his bachelor status, he suggested the name of Damayanti, the daughter of the king of Vidarbha. Damayanti was said to be extremely beautiful. It is said that even Indradev, Agni Dev, Varun Dev, and Yam Dev wanted to marry her. When it was time for Damayanti to choose her husband, her father organized a Swayamvar, a ceremony where a princess chooses her husband from a gathering of suitors. Many kings and princes attended. But, before the Swayamvar, Damayanti fell in love with Nal, after hearing about his virtues and qualities. Similarly, Nal had heard about Damayanti and her beauty and had fallen in love with her. They exchanged messages through a swan, who carried their words of love. Damayanti chooses Nal in the Swayamvar, whereupon their wedding is celebrated. The two move into Vidarbha, where Nal reigns as a righteous king. The gods return to heaven and meet Dwapar and Kali Purush, two demons of the game of dice, who are also on their way to Damayanti's self-election. When Kali learns that he is too late and that Damayanti has already chosen Nal, he swears revenge in a rage. He waits 12 years for his opportunity before he succeeds in taking possession of Nal. Possessed by the demon, the king enters into a game of dice with his brother Pushkar. Eventually, Nal lost everything in the dice game. But when he had nothing to put at stake, his brother asked him to put his wife Damayanti at stake. Nal became angry and he gave up everything and went to the forest with his wife. Tempted by the demon Kali, who still lives inside him, Nal leaves his wife secretly at night with a heavy heart. Abandoned by her husband, Damayanti wanders alone through the terrible forest in search of her husband. They were separated for a long time, and after many struggles, when they still choose to be with each other, they were reunited again, after Nal once taught King Rituparna in Ayodhya about horse riding and learned the secrets of dice in return, which lifted the curse of the demon Kali from him. Nal and Damayanti's story can be found in Van Parv of Mahabharata.